In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your FiveM cache. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is actually go down to this search bar down at the very bottom of your screen and go ahead and type in run, open it, and a small window is going to pop up down in the bottom left. You can drag this wherever you would like, but essentially what you're going to want to do is type in %local app data and then go ahead and hit % again after and hit enter. This is going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you do get on this page, what you're going to want to do is find the folder called FiveM and open it. Usually this is alphabetically ordered, so just scroll down till you see FiveM, open it up, and then once you are in here, find the folder called FiveM application data and open that up as well. Once you open that up, and it should look like a snail for you, but it might not, you're going to see a bunch of different folders like cache, and server cache prive. These are going to be the cache files that you're going to want to clear. So select only these folders. And every single one of these are going to be in this data folder. So open that up and you're going to see boom, boom, and boom right there. Select them all and then just go ahead and choose delete up in the very top. Make sure you don't delete anything else outside of these cache folders. Otherwise that will break it for you. You can also empty your recycle bin by selecting on it and then hitting empty recycle bin, and it'll go ahead and fully clear that cache. But that is it. Your FiveM cache is now going to be cleared. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.